Checking your account balance on Western Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily find your balance. Step 1. Visit the Western Union website. Go to the official Western Union website using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Log into your account. Click on the login button and enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to account summary. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRARP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. View your balance. In the account summary section, you will see your current account balance displayed prominently. Take note of it for your records. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your account to protect your personal information, especially if you are using a public or a shared device. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Western Union. Always ensure your account details are secure and up to date.